Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is YUSRINA binti AZMI and my matric number 1220037. And today I am excited to talk about the fascinating world of media effect theories. I have been deeply interested in understanding how media influences our thought, attitude and behaviors. Today, I will explore three key theories that have shaped our understanding of media effects theory: the hypodermic needle theory, the two-step flow theory, and the selective exposure theory. In the early 1900s, the hypodermic theory, which called for utilizing medical equipment to inject drugs beneath the skin, was widely accepted. This idea holds that media messages have great power and affect audience immediately and instantly. It was said that the media was a potent magic bullet that could quickly change people's minds and habits. However, this theory has been heavily criticized over time because it missed the subtleties of media influences and oversimplifies their complex nature. The theory states that mass media may regularly and directly affect a sizable audience by delivering messages that are intended to evoke specific responses. Examples of this concept include visual metaphors like the needle and bullet, which demonstrate a potent and speedy transfers to information. Aside from the hypodermic needle theory and the selective exposure theory, the two-step flow theory is another media effect hypothesis. Information is not directly communicated to the public through the media. According to the two-step flow theory, according to this hypothesis, there are two different stages that information from the media goes through. People pay great attention and gather information from the media during the first phase. Opinion leaders will receive informational communications from the media. In addition to the information they obtain from the mass media, opinion leaders also propagate and communicate their own opinions during the second stage, the transmission of information from the mainstream media to influencers. This is another aspect of the two-step flow theory. As many different paradigms makes it feasible to track the evolution of media impacts hypothesis across time. Previous theories suggested that media had an immediate and powerful effect on viewers. One such theory was the hypodermic needle model. Academics embrace increasingly sophisticated perspective as research progressed, such as the two-step flow model, which emphasized the significance of human connection. Then came the idea of cultivation, emphasizing how media exposure over time shapes one's perception of reality. The notion of agenda setting highlighted the way in which the media can influence public opinion by selecting issues that are deemed important. After the advent of the internet and digital media, theories concerning the consequences of new media have been developed, including the network public sphere and the spirit of science. Finally, the theory of selective exposure, also known as limited exposure theory, posits that individuals tend to seek out information and media that align with their current belief, attitude, and values. This concept, rooted in communication and psychology, suggests that people selectively choose information that confirms their existing belief and attitude while avoiding contradictory or challenging information. There are 6 key points of consider within selective exposure theory, with confirmation bias being the primary focus. This bias indicates that individuals actively seek and accept information that aligns with their existing belief, as seen in the preference for conspiracy theories. Additionally, the theory addresses the avoidance of cognitive dissonance, where individuals with conflicting beliefs tend to steer clear to information that challenges their existing viewpoints. Practicing media and echo chambers also play a significant role in selective exposure theory, illustrating how certain ideological or political groups disseminate information exclusively to like-minded audiences. In conclusion, the evolution of media effect theories reflects a shift from simplistic, one-dimensional models to more nuanced, interactive, and contextually sensitive perspective. From the early day of the hypodermic needle theory to the two-step flow theory and selective exposure theory, our understanding of media effect has evolved to recognize the complex interplay between media, audience, and society. This evolution underscores the importance of considering the active role of audience, the influence of interpersonal communication, and the impact of selective exposure on shaping public opinion and behavior. As we continue to navigate the dynamic media landscape, it is crucial to adopt interdisciplinary approaches and remain attuned to the ever-changing socio-cultural context to gain a comprehensive understanding of media effect. Moving forward, embracing a more holistic and nuanced understanding of media effects will be essential for fostering a well-informed and open-minded public and for addressing the challenges and opportunities presented by the evolving media environment.